Life is too much uncertain. So, make some memorable memories with your kith and kins. With this message, let's move on to our channel. We will learn a lot of words, meanings, and sentences. What's the lesson for today? Let's see. Merciful, रहम करने वाला. Allah is merciful. Caring, हमदर्द. Their father is caring. Human being, इंसान. He is a good human being. Teachings, तालीमात. We follow the teachings of Islam. Behave, पेश आना. Kids behave very well. Kindly give your suggestions to overcome the shortcoming of this video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.